So hello guys, welcome back. For this part is you will discuss the codes that I have uploaded in our main NodeMCU, which is connected to our dot matrix and our center NodeMCU. So this one. So the other folder here is just tests. I mean these are individual codes. Then I've merged the code to come up with this two here. First is our main this code here is uploaded in the NodeMCU with that matrix attached. Yeah, almost all of this is from. Let me open the Arduino ID. Let's discuss here. So when you install the library, uh, WebSocket library, this here, into the library manage, then just search your WebSocket. This one by Marcus Stutler. It's now installed in my Arduino. Then also Arduino JSON. So this one, Pinoy Blanchan. Install this too. Then right after installing it, just go to examples, then your WebSockets is created, and client SSL. So this one. So yeah, I've just altered this code here. This one. So yeah, also the library for the dot matrix, which is the parola. So, so these are the libraries that I've installed. So, MD-Max72XX, then MD parola WebSocket, and Arduino JS. So yeah, this this one here, the include and define. These are all from the examples, so I just copy and paste it. Then this one, the LED for this LED here. It's LED here. So it will turn on when it has successfully connected to our server. And yeah, initiate our ASP8266 WebSocket and that matrix. Then this car.message is where we store our message that we receive and we will emit to the server. So this void WebSocket event basically handles the events, the WebSocket. So we'll just go back to it. So in our void setup, yeah, basics, serial begin, print line, then output, the LED, and here you just set up boot from the example, yeah, and connect to the Wi-Fi. Then for this one is, yeah, we will, this is the default message if, for example, our NodeMCU didn't connect to the NodeJS server. So the default message would be scrolled here. then the direction of our scroll, so from right to left, then the speed. So that's the purpose of this one. So if you are connecting just locally, meaning using your local network, you can use this one, WebSocket begin, then the IP port of your server, then the path. So I've used the domain. So yeah, I've used begin SSL. So the domain name 443 because yeah, it's HTTPS. So if your server is running on HTTP, so you just put 480 here. Then on event is we'll use this one, the function here, WebSocket event. Then the connect interval 5,000. Then WebSocket loop, which is from the example. Then yeah, display is also from the example in the parola. So these are here from our in our void loop. So going back to the function here, WebSocket event. So the payload here is basically the message that we receive from our server with us a type of int. And right after that is we do a switch here from our type. So these are the events. So on disconnected, on connected, this on text is when we receive a message from our server. So ping pong, just basic ping, then reply pong. This bin here when you receive binary data. So let's suppose this one. So first is the first event is when we are disconnected. You just display the serial disconnected, then turn off the LAN. So again, next is when we are connected to our server. So serial pin connected URL, and then here is the JSON. So we will initialize a document with a character of 1024. And the first property latest. So back here in our flow chart, then our unique identifier latest. So to get the latest message from our database, doc latest to serialize the JSON document, which is this one, to output string. So for it to be like stringify, JSON stringify, it is in JavaScript. Then WebSocket send text. This function here will emit to the client, to the server, the output, which is this one, this one. So that's in the connected event. Next is the text event, meaning if we receive a message from our server. So yeah, print to the serial, get text, then the payload, the text. Here is a conversion of from int to char. So yeah, I forgot the term for this asterisk here. Pointer, I guess it's pointer, I forgot. It's in C++. So yeah, this one, this line here is just a conversion from int to character. Then yeah, again, initialize a variable document for our JSON with a 1024 character. Then deserialize, meaning if it is in JavaScript, JSON parse. So here is JSON stringify. So here is a connection, condition. If not doc messages, meaning if there's no message, just return. Then if there's a message, so it will this thing, this function. This function is it will convert factor to string. So that's what it does. So this message variable here is passed into our, yeah, here in our scrolling, our dot matrix. So yeah, I didn't do anything in these events here. So that's it for our for our main NodeMCU. Next is our sender, which is one the default. Our control NodeMCU. So when I press the button, again back in our demo, it must be hello from other NodeMCU. So this one, let me open here in Arduino. So again, almost the same imports, then initialize. So we have two, I mean, one input and one output. So the input here is the button, then the two outputs is two LED. This is the connection, which is this one, this red LED here. Then when I press the button, this green LED will light up, meaning we have successfully emitted a message to the server. So send it LED pin. Then almost same WebSocket event. We only have turn on LED only when connected. Will not get the latest message from our database. Yeah, same, almost the same. Connect to the Wi-Fi, connect to our WebSocket server. Then in our void loop, it will read we will read the status of our button in the digital read. So it's just 1 and 0. If it is pressed this one and released 0, then we will pass the value to this function here. So it's just a basic if else statement. So here, if we release the button, we'll turn off the LED, the green LED. And if we press the button, turn on the LED, then this one is emit again our unique identifier. Then the message is hello from other NodeMCU. Then string, initialize string here. JSON stringify, this is the purpose of this one. Serialize JSON is doc here. Then the output, and WebSocket send text, emit message to the server. So that's it, guys, for our NodeMCU codes. So yeah, I guess that's the wrap up of our IoT project here. So yeah, I will also put the link of the GitHub repo in the comment section. So yeah, that's it, guys. If you have any question, just feel free to comment in the comment below. And also don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, guys. And I hope you learned something new today.